Hey everyone, I'm Brent with VenomPads.com. This is video number 4 on bridge saw blades for dummies for the first bridge saw blade a shop should ever buy. Video 1 was on the Venom Experience blade. Video 2 was on the Venom Fat Boy Quartzite blade. Video number 3 was on the Fat Boy 1 and the Fat Boy 2 big segmented 26 millimeter blade. So on video number 4, my fourth choice is the Venom Rush blade, the purple Venom Rush blade. The purple Venom Rush can cut quartzite, quartz, and granite really well. It also can miter cut all three really well. I call it a high segment, more of what you call a hybrid segment. One advantage of the Venom Rush blade that excels all my blades on VenomPads.com is the Venom Rush blade can actually cut nanoglass. I originally designed the Venom Rush blade about 16 years ago for a nanoglass manufacturer called Glassos. So Glassos USA is where I developed the Venom Rush blade. It's the #1 choice for me to use nanoglass. And even though it was the #1 choice for nanoglass, the blade happened to cut granite amazing, quartz, engineered quartz fantastic, and even quartzite. So definitely it ranks high. That's why I ranked it #4. Now, in all my videos, even though the video is on your first blade you should ever buy, I always tell a shop needs 3 blades on their first purchase. They need the SVEB marble blade for cutting marble, the SVEB porcelain blade for cutting porcelain. So obviously when you're cutting porcelain, throw the porcelain on, cutting marble, throw the marble blade on. The uniqueness, like I said, with the Venom Rush blade, it's the only blade that in my whole arsenal that I only refer when it comes to nanoglass one blade, and that's the Venom Rush blade. And since it was a hybrid segment, it just worked amazing on the other 3. Now, if the Venom Rush blade does not perform well enough for you on quartz engineered stone, then I recommend the SVEB split segment quartz engineered quartz blade. The SVB split segment blade, the quartzite and the quartz blade, will outperform the Venom Rush cut on speed and on miter cutting. So once again, this is Brent on VenomPads.com, and that was tutorial number 4, bridge saw blades for dummies for your first blade you should ever purchase.